Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create floor plans in Revit step by step. Floor plans are one of the most important parts of any building information modeling project, and Revit makes it easy to create, edit, and organize them with professional accuracy. So let's get started. First, open your Revit project or create a new one using an architectural template. Before creating a floor plan, make sure your project includes the levels you need, since each floor plan is associated with a specific building level. Next, go to the View tab on the ribbon, click Plan Views, and then choose Floor Plan. A dialog box will appear showing all available levels that don't already have floor plans. Select the level you want to use and click OK. Once the floor plan opens, begin adding your building elements. You can use the Architecture tab to place walls, doors, windows, floors, and other components. As you draw, Revit automatically maintains accurate dimensions and relationships between building elements. To make your floor plan easier to read, use the Annotate tab to add dimensions, room tags, text notes, and other annotations. You can also adjust the view scale and visibility settings from the Properties panel to match your project's requirements. As your design develops, save your work regularly and switch between floor plans, elevations, and three-dimensional views to confirm that everything is aligned correctly throughout the building model. And that's it. You now know how to create floor plans in Revit and begin building accurate architectural layouts for your projects. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.